Welcome to Mumu Farm, friends. Let's learn and play with Mumu today. It was a bright and beautiful morning on the farm. The grass sparkled with tiny drops of dew. Inside the cozy red barn lived Mumu, a small black and white calf with soft fur and tiny hooves. Mumu loved to play, and today he felt extra playful, ready for a day of fun. "Mama, I'm going to play," Mumu called excitedly, looking towards the barn entrance. Mama Moo smiled warmly. "Have fun, my little black and white calf," she said gently. Mumu rolled his red ball across the barn floor. Roll, roll, bump. He stacked colorful wooden blocks. 1, 2, 3, crash. He pretended his feed bucket was a shiny crown. "I'm King Mumu," he giggled. Chico fluttered in through the barn door. "Can I play too?" "Yes," Mumu cheered, delighted to have a friend join his games. Soon Goaty joined them, trotting in with a friendly bleat. Together, they built towering structures with the colorful blocks. They raced the red ball, chasing it across the barn floor with glee. They tossed hay in the air like confetti, celebrating their playful day. The barn filled with their happy laughter, echoing with joy. But slowly, the floor disappeared under a growing pile of toys. Blocks were everywhere, scattered across the wooden planks. Hay covered the ground, a soft, golden carpet of mess. The red ball rolled near the door, almost escaping the playful chaos. The feed bucket, once a crown, now lay tipped over on its side. Mumu didn't notice the mess. He was having too much fun playing with his friends. After a while, Chico yawned. "I have to go," she chirped. "Me too," said Goaty. "Bye, Mumu." Bye, Mumu waved happily. He looked around the barn, then he froze. The barn looked different. Very different. The neat floor was gone. Toys were scattered. Hay was messy. The red ball sat in a corner. Mumu's ears drooped. Oh no. Just then Mama Moo walked in. She stopped gently. "Mumu," she said softly, "what happened here?" Mumu looked down at his tiny hooves. I was playing." Mama Moo nodded kindly. "Playing is wonderful." She paused. But what comes after playing? Mumu thought. He knew the answer. "Cleaning up." Mumu sighed loudly. "But Mama, I'm tired." Cleaning didn't sound fun. Cleaning didn't make him laugh. Cleaning didn't bounce or roll. Mama Moo knelt beside him. "Cleaning up helps us take care of our home," she explained. "It keeps us safe. It keeps our barn happy." Mumu looked around again. The barn didn't feel happy. It felt crowded. It felt busy. It felt messy. His tummy felt funny. Just then, Chico flew back in. "I forgot my feather," she chirped. She looked at the barn. "Oh, it's messy." Mama's cheeks felt warm. "I have to clean it." "I'll help you start," Chico said. Goaty peeked in too. "Me too." Mumu felt a little braver. "Okay," he said quietly. Mama Moo smiled. One step at a time. First, they picked up the blocks. Mumu lifted one carefully. Clack, another, clack. They stacked them neatly in the box. "Good job," Mama Moo encouraged. Next, they rolled the ball back to its basket. Roll, roll, bump. Then they gathered the hay. This part took longer. Mumu used his small hooves slowly. It wasn't exciting, but something strange happened. The more they cleaned, the calmer the barn felt, the more space appeared. The brighter the floor looked.
Finally, they stood still. The barn was clean again. The blocks were stacked. The bowl was in its basket. The hay was tidy. Mumu blinked. "It looks nice. How does it feel?" Mama Moo asked. Mumu took a deep breath. "Peaceful," and she asked gently. Mumu smiled. "Proud." Chico flapped happily. "You did it." Goaty nodded. "You didn't give up." Mumu's chest felt warm and big, bigger than when he was King Mumu. This feeling was different. This feeling was important. The next day, Mumu played again. He built towers. He rolled the ball. He laughed loudly. But when he finished, he stopped. He looked at the floor, and without anyone asking, he picked up the blocks. One step at a time, he whispered. Mama Moo watched proudly from the doorway. My little calf is growing. Mumu looked at his clean barn. It felt safe. It felt calm. It felt like home. And he knew something new. Playing is fun, but cleaning shows love. When we play, we clean. When we clean, we care. Taking care of our space shows love everywhere.